Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to open up a toolkit that's all about helping you not just get by, but really, truly crush your first year of university. We're going to lay out all the essential resources that can help you build an incredible academic path. So, think of this as your essential starter pack for university life. That jump from high school to university is a big one, a really big one. And having the right tools from the get go, it can honestly make all the difference. We're here to get you geared up so you can hit the ground running. All right, let's get into it. Kicking off university is this wild mix of pure excitement and, let's be real, maybe a little bit of panic. The work is different, it's harder, and the study habits that got you through high school, they might not be enough anymore. So making that leap from first day excitement to actual excellence, well, that takes a whole new playbook. So where do we even begin? Let's start with what you can control right from your own laptop. We're kicking things off with your digital toolkit. These are the apps and platforms that are going to help you get a real handle on your new academic workflow. First on the list, your notes. Seriously, forget those stacks of messy notebooks. Digital note-taking apps are basically a second brain. Every single thing you learn, every slide, every thought can be stored, neatly organized, and, this is the best part, searched in a split second. It is an absolute game changer when it's time to study for exams. And the real magic of apps like Evernote, OneNote, or Notion isn't just that you can type notes. Nope. You can drop in images, you can embed lecture slides, you can save web links, and it all syncs across your phone, your tablet, your computer. Your notes are literally with you wherever you go. Okay, the next tool in our digital kit is all about taming the clock. That freedom you get with a university schedule is amazing, but wow, it can also be a super highway to procrastination. That's where productivity apps come in. They're like your secret weapon against last-minute panic and all-nighters. And one of the best ways to do this is with the Pomodoro technique. It sounds fancy, but it's so simple and so powerful. You just work in super focused 25-minute sprints, and then you take a short break. It's like interval training for your brain. It helps you focus and keeps you from burning out. There are even apps like Forest that make it fun, letting you grow a little digital tree while you stay off your phone. And finally, for your digital toolkit, you've got access to a whole world of knowledge. That tuition you're paying, it unlocks these incredibly powerful academic databases, like JSTOR and Google Scholar. This is the place to find the real, high-quality articles and research you need for your papers. For real, don't sleep on this. Now, tech is awesome, but you know what? Some of the absolute best resources are the people and the places right there on campus. Let's call them your campus crew. Okay, listen up because I cannot say this loud enough. Librarians are maybe the single most underrated resource at any university. These folks are expert-level researchers. They can show you how to navigate those databases we just talked about, help you narrow down a topic, and find amazing sources you would have never found on your own. They are your ultimate research guide. Yes, the great textbook dilemma. This little chart breaks it down perfectly. Buying a new book gets you a nice, clean copy, but man, it hits the wallet hard. Renting is definitely cheaper, but you can't keep it. And borrowing from the library is free, which is amazing, but there are usually only a few copies to go around. Hot tip, always check if your library has the book on course reserve for short-term loans. And please remember this, you are not in this alone. Universities have a whole team of people whose entire job is to help you succeed. If you're stuck on a tricky concept, go find a tutor. If your essay sounds a little clunky, take it to the Writing Center. These services are there for you. Use them. Okay, so we've covered digital tools and on-campus resources. The last piece of this puzzle is the people sitting right next to you in class. Let's talk about putting together your study squad and why learning together can be so powerful. This right here gets to the heart of it. Studying by yourselves is absolutely crucial for that deep, focused work. But studying in a group, that brings in totally new perspectives, it helps you patch up any holes in your own knowledge, and it gives you that motivational boost. The truth is, the most successful students, they do both. So how do you actually build a study group that, studies? Well, first, just look for people in your classes who seem switched on and engaged. Then, and this is the most important part, give it some structure. Pick a regular time to meet and have a clear goal for every session. That way, you're not just getting together to chat. And hey, in this day and age, your study squad doesn't even have to be in the same city. Platforms like Zoom or Google Meet make virtual study sessions super easy. You can share your screen, work through problems together, and keep each other on track no matter where you are. So we've looked at a lot, right? Digital tools, campus experts, study squads. But here's the thing. These are all just individual parts. The real secret to success isn't finding one magic tool. It's about how you put all these pieces together. After going through all of these options, you're probably wondering, what is it? What's the one thing, the single most essential resource for doing well in school? Is it the perfect app? Is it the library? Is it the study group? Well, the answer is kind of none of them and also all of them. The single most important resource you have is a personalized system that is built to work for you. It's about making that shift from being a passive student to being the active architect of your own education. So experiment. Try things out. Mix and match all these tools until you build a routine that feels right for your learning style. Because in the end, this is your journey. You've got the toolkit now, the apps, the people, the strategies. The only question left to answer is, what are you going to build with it?